Are you a music lover or you enjoy listening to music? Because if you do, you can get money just by listening to music and then typing what you hear word for word on a website. It is one of the simplest ways to get money online. In this video, I'll show you 3 websites as well as a bonus website that will allow you to earn $2,197 in a single day if you follow these instructions. In order to make money, all you have to do is bring out your phone or computer, find a quiet spot, and start listening. Then type it down. So let me introduce you to the websites where you can sign up and earn up to $2,197 every day. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below to never miss new videos and opportunities to make money online. The first thing I want you to do is head over to SoundCloud.com. SoundCloud is the largest music and audio platform in the world, allowing users to find and listen to music from the world's most diverse creators. Aside from the opportunity to exchange music and communicate directly with artists, the platform has become recognized for its unique content and features such as a chance to find breakthrough tracks, raw demos, and more. Artists can utilize SoundCloud to reach a global audience, monetize their work, and get valuable feedback from the SoundCloud community. SoundCloud is completely free to use. You will not be required to spend any money in order to participate. As you can see, there is a wide variety of new popular music available for you to enjoy listening to. Moreover, all of the music available right now is available in a variety of languages. You may download SoundCloud to your smartphone, which is the most convenient feature. It makes no difference whether you have an Android or an iPhone because this app is available on both platforms. Downloading the app is as simple as going to your Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Just simply check to see if the SoundCloud application you are downloading has this logo. Once you are done, you can now find and listen to different types of music inside this app. Now, what I want you to do is scroll down the page and you will see this Explore Trending Playlist button right here. Click on it and you will be redirected to this page where there are playlists that are currently trending, and they're all organized into different categories. Suppose you want to listen to this music in that category, you can click on it and you will be taken to this page. Click on this play button right here to start listening to this music now, and then you're done. Actually, the music you chose is part of a playlist that includes other songs with the same genre. As you can see in this playlist, there are a total of 50 songs in this collection. In addition, you can access all of this music from your smartphone or computer. Now you're familiar with how to use SoundCloud to search music, I'd like to introduce to you a new website called azlyrics.com. You can discover various music lyrics from various songs here. For instance, if you're looking for the lyrics to Justin Bieber's songs today, you can just enter the artist's name or song title here and choose a song from the drop-down options. And then you'll be taken into this page where you may just listen to the music with the lyrics shown on your screen. Here on azlyrics.com, any song that you want to learn its lyrics is available. Even the songs from SoundCloud, you can find the full lyrics here. Listening to music and transcribing the lyrics is an incredible opportunity for you. Consequently, you can easily make some money repeatedly by transcribing a very simple song like this, which usually lasts between 2 and 4 minutes. You might be wondering what websites will you use to transcribe. Continue watching the video because I will show you 3 websites where you can start transcribing music. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this video, make sure to like and share your thoughts and any questions about the video in the comment section down below. So the first transcribing website that I'm going to show you is named Rev. Now I want you to go to your browser search bar and then enter in rev.com. Customers that seek speedy, low-cost assistance to finish their jobs can connect with competent freelancers through Rev, which is a marketplace of qualified freelancers. They combine the best automatic voice recognition artificial intelligence with the largest community of speech-to-text freelancers in the world, with a current membership of 60,000 and increasing daily. As a result, content creators and meeting organizers use this website to get their audio and video recordings transcribed or transformed into text. There are 3 distinct job types available here: transcriptions, captions, and foreign subtitles. For instance, if you listen to the music here and transcribe it into lyrics, you will be compensated for each minute of audio that you transcribe. Now consider this, based on rev, you will earn $1.50 for each audio minute you spend to music and transcribing it into lyrics. A normal song has a duration of 3 minutes and 30 seconds. If you take this into account, you might expect to bring $4.50 for each song. I want you to go to the bottom of this page and click on the freelancers link under the About section of the website. On the next page here, it says that Rev allows you to establish your own working hours. Freelance work gives you the flexibility to work as much or as little as you want, whenever you want. It is also possible to choose from a variety of projects that interest you. And also, as soon as the tasks are completed, you'll get paid via PayPal every week. How amazing is that you have control over everything, and at the same time, you are literally earning money online from the comfort of your own home. When you browse down the page, you will notice that it shows the option Transcriptionist and Captioner. For now, I'd like you to select Transcriptionist and then click on Learn More for more details. This will send you to this page, where you can browse the rest of the website for additional information. After that, you'll be able to sign up for a transcription service and get approved to begin working. Just provide your first name and your last name, email address, and country in the appropriate fields to get started. The fact that they are welcoming people from all around the world, regardless of where they are from, that means that you can participate in this chance regardless of your location at the time you read this. Next, the second transcribing website that I'm going to show you is another service that you can use to transcribe so that you may maximize your earnings and earn double as much money as you would otherwise earn. Another website where you can join up to listen to music and earn money by simply transcribing the music into lyrics is GoTranscript.com. GoTranscript is a popular transcription company that offers high-quality transcription services to international clients. This website allows you to listen to music while earning money by simply transcribing the music into lyrics. I want you to scroll to the very bottom of the page and look for the link Work. Click this button right here, and basically you can see from this page, GoTranscript pays competitive prices for online transcription assignments. You will be paid 60 cents for every single minute of audio or video that you produce. For example, listening to and transcribing a standard 3-minute song can earn you $1.80 for your time. There are quite a number of benefits that come with working with GoTranscript. Being able to work from home and having flexible working hours is one of its advantages. You have complete freedom to work whenever and wherever you choose. They also post fresh transcriptionist tasks on a daily basis. The fact that you'll always have something to do means that you'll be able to work on tasks that interest you. Another advantage of this website is that you'll improve your skills as a result of the regular comments you will receive and opportunity to learn from the rest of the staff. After that, you'll get quickly payouts via PayPal for all the work that has been accomplished. Simply click on this Apply Now button and you'll be on your way to earning money in no time at all. You will be directed to this website where you can register for a free account. Registering is as simple as entering your email address and password, and you can use Google or Facebook account. The final step is to simply click the sign up button. Now you have access to GoTranscript service. As simple as that. Transcribe is the third transcribing service that I'll be introducing to you today. I want you to head over to Transcribe.com, and this is a free web app that will make transcribing very easy. You can start transcribing now if you click on this blue button right here, and then all you need is a link to the music file that you've already downloaded to start. When you go back to SoundCloud, for example, you should have this share button available if you're looking for music to transcribe. It will open up a box where you can see the URL to do this music track. The music can be downloaded by copying this URL and pasting it into your browser. Step 2 is simple. To submit the music file you downloaded, simply click on this button right here. Afterwards, you use this to automatically transcribe the complete soundtrack, although it may contain a few grammatical errors that you will need to edit manually later on. I'll give you one more bonus tip that will help you earn more money at rev.com. Transcription jobs typically pay $1.50 per minute, but foreign subtitles pay anything from $3 to $7 per minute. It's safe to say that these are highly valuable wages. There are a few examples of what I can show you. Come back to SoundCloud.com with me for a second. You'll be able to listen to a wide range of musical genres and foreign languages here. Because it's difficult to translate music from one multiple language into English, they're giving you a greater fee. This leads us to the next website called deepl.com, which is an online translator that is free and can be used at any time. You can use this tool to turn music lyrics into other languages into English. For example, German music in English. English music can also be translated into another language like French, German, or any other language that you want to hear. You can do this and sign up to all the platforms that I have mentioned. In that way, you can get more job opportunities and you will earn more. And that is how we can make money today. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the notifications to stay updated about the latest ways to earn money online. Leave a comment for any questions and see you in the next video.